Hello, we have another question on board again. This is a question that has to do with stoichiometry. Uh, and the question is given, it's a wide part question, and the question is given of this format. And we are told what mass of hydrogen would be produced. Take note, what mass of hydrogen will be produced if 12.0 gram of magnesium reacted completely with dilute hydrochloric acid. This is a question of stoichiometry that have to do with mass to mass ratio. In my previous video, you can just check my previous video. You will see I've already explained stoichiometry and how the things needed for you to be able to solve questions that have to do with stoichiometry. Now, we're in this particular type of stoichiometry, it's called mass to mass ratio because you are told to calculate the mass of a particular element or a particular species in the equation with the mass of another species given. Like here, we are given a mass of magnesium. We have to calculate the mass of hydrogen. So looking at the equation, the first point, like I told in my previous video of stoichiometry, is to balance the equation. The equation here is not balanced because if you look at it, there are two chlorine here. You have one chlorine, two hydrogen, one hydrogen. So to balance it, we just add two. And in adding two to that HCl, where we have the hydrogen and the chlorine, it balances the chlorine already. These two chlorine, two hydrogen, two hydrogen. These two, remember, it relates with everything here. Now, the first thing we have to look at after balancing the equation is what is the focus? Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 species in this equation. Then what is the focus of the question? Now, the question focuses on hydrogen and magnesium. It did not tell us really to use HCl. So we will not look at the HCl. Our focus is the mass. We are calculating the mass of hydrogen from a given mass of magnesium. So theoretically, which is from equation, based on the equation here, magnesium, 24 gram of magnesium, according to the question, gave, we have to calculate the molar mass of hydrogen there, which is 2 times 1. Hydrogen is 1. So 2 times 1 gram of hydrogen. So we are having 24 gram of magnesium giving us 2 gram of hydrogen. So that is it. That is what we call the theoretical mass from the equation. Take note, like I said, our question focuses on magnesium and hydrogen and not on any of the other two, even though the equation has them. Now, has them, yes. No, now if you look at this thing, we have this 24 gram of magnesium giving 2 gram of hydrogen. The question said, what mass of hydrogen will be produced by 12.0 gram of magnesium? So we'll come here and we'll say 12.0 gram of magnesium will be equal to X gram of H, which we don't know. So simple cross multiplication will help us. When you cross multiply, you have 24x giving you 12 times 2. So 24x equal to 24 divided by x equals to 24 over 24, which eventually x equal to 1 gram of hydrogen. So therefore, based on everything, 24 gram of 12 gram of magnesium, if reacted with HCl, is going to give us 1 gram of hydrogen. Thank you very much. Bye. Take all the glory.